opening morning. He's just walking up on it. What do you think of that?
Oh yeah. I might need your help.
All right, I'll come over. Well, it's gonna be hard to top that.
Yeah.
On private land.
Yeah.
Maybe. That's
Yeah.
that we're on public land, everybody. He borrowed the 6.8 Western.
What's today? 19?
It's the opening day, but what's it say on the tag for opening day? Should be the 19th. It'll say right on your tag.
Breakfast, did you?
Are you gagging?
No. I don't want that on video.
Oh, we're getting it on video. YouTube gold.
No. We split the profits then.
Okay, if I make any money on this video, we'll split it.
You do let her loose, just do it downhill.
Yeah, I don't want to be downhill of you when you yak. Hold it together.
Is it small or big?
It feels like a vacuum hose, just like a.
It's gonna be up there quite a ways.
You'd be
up in
like
this region.
tickling his
That's where
tonsils.
I am.
You feel it?
I don't know.
You feel his lungs?
I'm like right here.
Yeah, it should be
You're not.
right in
You're not
there.
holding your breath, are you? You feel it?
What you have to do, just put both arms up.
Let me see too. Oh look, he's got a big old scab on his leg. Feel it? You got the knife in there?
No.
Okay, let me feel in there. Don't. Yeah.
Just pull really
When you
hard.
reach, you just pull and like you'll feel like strands of meat and muscle. Okay, feel in there. Feel my hand. Go right above my hand where I'm grabbing. Feel that?
Yeah.
Feel like a vacuum hose.
Uh-huh.
See when you pull in, his neck moves.
Yeah.
Okay, hold it with your one hand.
Okay.
Go in with the knife above it and cut it off.
Just
So
don't
hang
cut-
on to it.
Don't
You're
cut your own
you're gonna
hand.
don't cut your hand.
myself.
But what you're gonna do, you're gonna hold on to that. When you pull that, everything's gonna come with it.
Man, you can't beat the weather for a hunt this morning.
No, this is
It's amazing.
that rain, and then it's like quiet too. Yep, just keep pulling. Thing. You just gotta go caveman. See now you're to the butthole, and we reamed it, so you're just gonna. You don't see that piss bag?
Mm-hmm.
You don't want that going off. There you go.
Boom.
Keep pulling. Just pull it.
Just like that.
Now you gotta find the heart.
No.
Huh?
For what?
To eat it.
It's
We're eating the
delicious.
heart.
It's delicious.
You gotta lick it. Okay. Find me the heart. I get the heart. I'm your guide.
Should we roll it over and let it bleed out?
Yeah, let me get a little bit of this fat before it cakes up. I'm gonna start a guiding service.
There you go. You know the
I
spots.
do better getting people big ones than I get. Right.
Ready?
Yeah. Get it. Oh, man, baby, that's a big old black.
Yeah, he's got some weight. There
You
you
got
go.
it right there.
Yeah, it's in a bag. Yep, that's it. Cut that bag and you can just cut a hole in the bag and pop out the heart. And
It actually is really good.
good with mustard.
I just like cutting it up and frying it.
Look, I believe the 6.8 Western makes a doozy of a hole.
I don't think it was going anywhere.